Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm going to be making a crab meat today, fried crab meat. So I'm going to show you the ingredient, what you need. So this is the crab meat. You can get this in Walmart. They come like a 2-pack because I don't want to make too much. So that's what I'm going to be making. And that's 1 onion and half of tomato and sazon. And you're going to need like a two Maggi. Yeah, with any seasoning you got home, but I'm gonna show you guys my season, what I'm gonna be using, okay? And this is the season I'm gonna using my chicken season and my black pepper, and I'm gonna use one big garlic too, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the onions and tomato and the garlic, okay? And after we're gonna start making it, all right? So you're gonna add you don't need to use the same kind of season you really use, please. You can use whatever season you would like to use, no problem. You're gonna be welcome, and it will taste good still like mine, okay? All right, let's start it. Yeah. So those my ingredient. I'm gonna be using the cut onions and the tomato and the garlic, and this is the crab meat, and this is the sazon. And the season, this is black pepper, and the other one was chicken season, and 2 Kib Maggi, those small Kib Maggi. And this is the oil is hot already. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna start adding everything to the pot, okay? All right, let's do it. My onions smell good already. You know when you fry onions and tomato and garlic together, that smells so delicious. Okay, now so I'm gonna mix it, and this is my sazon. I'm gonna add one first. I got 2-pack sazon. When you put sazon in your food, right, it will give you that nice like a red tomato paste texture to it, your food, and it is very good. I love cooking with sazon. Even if you're cooking jollof rice, you can add sazon with your jollof rice sauce. It would make it taste so good. You see how it look red now, like you add some tomato to it, and I did not add no tomato to it. That's why I love sazon. And that's my chicken season. I'm gonna be adding chicken season. I'm gonna add some little bit of it. Like one big secret my mom always tells me of cooking your food. If your food cooking, make sure the food tastes good. Put a good amount of season to your food. Whatever good season you can put. This is a black pepper too. Put a good season amount of food to your season. You put a good season to your food, and it tastes very good. Without this season, trust me, your food will not taste right. If somebody cook with a good season and you don't put good season to your food never gonna taste right. And guess what? All the same ingredient, your food don't have that much seasoning to it, and the other one have enough season. You're gonna be asking yourself, why are they went wrong? The only thing you went wrong because you did not put enough season to your food. Because without it, trust me, your food will never gonna taste right, my sisters and brothers. Trust me. Okay? Season your food well. So we're gonna fry this until you see the onions and the stuff is nice and done. So you're gonna add the crab meat, okay? Because the crab meat is already cooked already, so it's not that much. I'm gonna just try my sauce and make sure it tastes well good. So I'm gonna add my crab meat, okay? This dish is very simple, but you can make a good sandwich out of this. Tastes delicious. Trust me, you're gonna love it when you make a sandwich out of it. Ooh. Okay, this is the Maggi I was talking about. Maggi. Hold on, look like my camera look like this a little bit. Those the Maggi I was talking about. Maggi, you can go to any African store, they sell Maggi cube. And if you don't find this Maggi cube, and they have even American Maggi cube too in the supermarket, any supermarket you go, they have their own Maggi. Like it tastes like a Maggi, but Maggi, I like Maggi better more than the other one. The other brands, I like this Maggi better. And this is the crab meat. It's already cooked already. I just chop it a little bit because the way you buy is a little bit bigger, and I chop it a little bit. So I'm gonna add it to the sauce now, and I'm gonna fry it. Like in the morning, if you're supposed to go to work, right? You don't have no lunch to take with you. This is one of the fast food you can make. In the morning, you can make a good sandwich out of it. Like you put some little bit of mayonnaise on your bread, and like if you got like a hot sauce, you can put a little bit of hot sauce in your bread, and put that in the bread. And after, you're gonna put this sauce in your bread and put a little bit of lettuce and tomato. My sisters and brother, that will be this delicious sandwich. Trust me. Like sometime when I go ready to go to work, this is my sandwich I make for myself, and I will make this for my children. They love it, love it. When you try in your house, trust me, you will love it. Do you see how it's coming out? Very good, very beautiful. You see that? So we're gonna fry it just a little bit because this is cooked already. I'm just gonna fry it just a little bit, and after I'm gonna show you the finished product. All right. Okay, so that's how it look like now. The food is ready now. Trust me, delicious. Always try your food and make sure it's nice and well seasoned, okay? Because the food is well seasoned, trust me. Anybody serve that food will taste good, trust me. You make a sandwich out of this, you give it to somebody to eat. The next day they will ask you, dang, where you get that from? Oh, it's so delicious. And you're gonna tell them, go to our YouTube, and you're gonna see the recipe, and you're gonna watch the video, and you're gonna learn how to do it. Very simple, and I would love that. Please subscribe, please subscribe. And you're gonna put in the pan. This is ready, see it? And I have a big chunk of big amount of let me just pour it like this. You see it? So this you can put in the fridge, right? Even like even for a week, like for 2-3 days, you can just keep making sandwich out of it. That's all I do. You see it? Delicious, yo. You see that? So thank you for watching our kitchen. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, and the more video I'm gonna be making, and I'm happy to see you guys back. All right, love you guys. Bye bye.